And now I think my most favorite story of this week, the Oral-B iO Series 8 electric toothbrush. You know, this is where technology is really going forward. Excellent, excellent technology. And now it's actually helping you with fitness, health, and of course your teeth. Comes with a color LCD display and also gives the user a rating of how well they brush their teeth after they're done brushing. I mean, it's going to rate you. It's going to tell you, are you good or bad? Comes with a light at the base of the head, which shows whether the pressure being applied while brushing is accurate or not. You know, some of us just kind of overgrind it. Takes 3 hours to charge with this magnetic charger. So again, very, very easy. The charger comes in the box. There's an Oral-B app also available. It shows the location of the brush and can easily establish a connection with the brush. This really tells you how well you did. So let's take a look at this pretty amazing piece of technology.
With smartness being added through technology to everything we do, whether it's communicating, connecting, keeping healthy or leisure, why not add some to our hygiene as well? Oral-B thought of the same thing, and so we have the Oral-B iO Series 8 electric toothbrush. Even though electric toothbrushes are not new, the iO Series 8 is unlike anything we've ever seen before. It connects to your phone with an app. It even has a screen on itself. It not only claims to clean the user's teeth better than any other toothbrush, but also guides them in taking better care of their teeth. Does it follow through on these claims? Is connecting your toothbrush to your phone a bit too much or a step in the right direction? Is this toothbrush any good? Let us brush you up on the answers. At first sight, the Oral-B looks different. You can tell it is a toothbrush from the bristles, but everything else beneath seems different. The front has 2 buttons and a screen in the middle. The button above the screen is the power button. The button below the screen helps in selecting the different brushing modes. Yes, there are modes. 6 different modes to be precise. These are daily clean, whitening, gum care, sensitive, super sensitive, and intense. The motion and intensity of the bristles changes according to the mode selected. Right above the buttons on the screen is a ring of light. The user can select a default color for this light for personalizing the toothbrush. While using the brush, this light shows whether the amount of pressure being put on the teeth is right. If it's too much, the light turns red. If it's too little, the light turns blue. Applying the correct amount of pressure while brushing your teeth leads to a proper and thorough cleaning of the teeth and ensures that the gums stay strong. The amount of time to be spent on each quadrant of the mouth is limited to 30 seconds, and accordingly the brush vibrates when the user ends up spending too much time in a single quadrant. The screen also serves a purpose while the toothbrush is being used. A timer shows up on the screen to showcase the time that the user has spent brushing their teeth. And once the user stops using the brush, a happy or sad face will show up depending on the time spent brushing. These greetings make sure the correct amount of time has been spent brushing your teeth. Even with all these features available on the toothbrush itself, the Oral-B app can do something that takes everything to the next level. With the app open while brushing, it shows in real time which part of the mouth is being cleaned, and it even points out the areas that are still left to clean. This makes sure that all of the teeth are cleaned, and that further helps in avoiding any plaque buildup in places missed by the user. The iO Series 8 uses the frictionless magnetic drive, which equally distributes the energy amongst the bristles more efficiently, resulting in a much smoother and quieter experience for the user. It also keeps the vibration very soft and minimal throughout the toothbrush, which makes it feel nothing different from a regular toothbrush. The brush head lasts for 3 months before needing a replacement. Along with that, the battery of the toothbrush lasts 2 weeks. Once out of battery, the brush can be easily plopped up on the magnetic charger, which takes 3 hours to charge it to full battery. The Oral-B iO Series 8 toothbrush, with all of its features, capabilities and quirks, makes sure that the user's mouth is clean. It also guides the user to take better care of their teeth. It follows through on all of these claims. Yes, connecting a toothbrush to a smartphone didn't seem necessary, but the iO Series 8 makes a compelling case that it should be. And if you already think so, you'll be happy to know that at a price of 15,999 rupees, it earns a recommendation from us for everything that it can do.